make a pack. Take any liquid or creamy foundation and combine it with your daily moisturizer to create a tinted moisturizer. Okay, so my tan is fading away now that summer is ending, and my foundation is too dark for me now. I truly hate seeing makeup go to waste. We're gonna make it wearable again. We're gonna combine it with our moisturizer to make a tinted moisturizer. Here we go. Take a pea-sized amount of any liquid or creamy foundation. I'm using the Filter Effect by Morphe, and a dime-sized amount of your moisturizer. I'm loving the Active Recovery Hydrogel by Geology. As you can see, it has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and squalene. Yes, the vegan version, to keep your face fresh throughout the day. And it's oil-free, so no greasy T-zone or clogged pores for me. Blend the two together until the moisturizer completely dissolves into the foundation. Make sure to prep your skin as normal and then apply to the skin using your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. I like to use my fingers. So that side's the before and this is the after, and you can see how it really reduces the redness and looks like a natural finish and not cakey like a foundation. So now it's on my full face, and then I like to finish it off with some blush and mascara for a simple no makeup look. You're welcome.